shit. Alright, y'all, I just want to give a huge shout out to Statesboro Power Sports. My dad bought a lawnmower from him today. He's going to pick it up tomorrow. We're taking this up there. I don't know how long it'll be up there. Don't worry, nothing's broke on her. I'm just taking it up there so they can put on, what's it called? Oh, they're putting on my lift and tightening my shocks. I was just finished washing it up right now, so yeah, y'all be looking forward to that. So I guess it's just a vlog type video, so yeah. I just got out the shower, y'all. I want to say a few things. Like I said, shout out to Statesboro Power Sports. Y'all go subscribe to my gaming channel. Like I said, when we get to 700 subscribers, I will make some videos and go live on there. So y'all make sure to go subscribe to it. I think it's at 520, maybe something like that. But y'all go subscribe to it, run it up, and there'll be videos on there. And then the video cut out, but it's all I was saying. Landon, if you're out there watching this, from me and Statesboro Power Sports, thank you and your family for driving all the way from Myrtle Beach and buying a Defender XMR. They told me about you today when I went up there. So, yeah, I just want to say that. And don't even start about, you said no shout-outs. That wasn't even a shout-out. I was just thanking him. If you drive that far and you go to Statesboro Power Sports and buy something and talk to him about me, then I'll definitely mention you in a video. So, yeah, peace out. See you on the next.